Hello scientists! It is time for an engineering design challenge, but before we begin, you have to research. Oh, sorry. Remember, summer's coming up. You have to stay hydrated. Make sure you're drinking water, guys. So the first thing that any scientist does first is research. So your responsibility is to watch the Brainpop video on sinking and floating and become experts in that subject. Don't forget to take notes while watching the Brainpop video, and after that, take the Brainpop quiz to test your knowledge. And then I encourage you to review the engineering design process. Remember, there are 5 steps. So for this design challenge, you will be designing a boat made of aluminum foil. And so the goal is to figure out how can you design this boat so that it will hold the most pennies. And so if your boat sinks, then you know that your goal wasn't achieved. You may have to end up doing a redesign so that your boat can float on the water that's in the bin. I am just as excited about this design challenge as you are, but what you want to do is be prepared. Make sure you have all of the materials before design day challenge begins. The first material you will need is 1 sheet of foil. So you'll notice that I said 12 by 18, and the reason why it's 12 by 18 is because it's literally measured 12 by 18. It doesn't have to be that precise, but you want to make sure it's a long enough sheet so that you can make the kind of boat that you prefer. You'll also need a bin that can hold water. You will also need as many pennies as you can find. Last but not least, you will need your data sheet. The only problem is we're doing this whole remote learning thing, so your data sheet will be on Google Slides. Make sure that you fill them out. And that is all you need. I am excited to start this challenge. Let's do it.